All right, so next time I'm going to explain exactly what go on in the studio when you're not listening. This is lovely. All right, so our national dish, ackee and saltfish. And I can think of a few more ways to mix it up with herring, cod, pork, but I can't think of 31 ways to prepare the fruit. But my guest sure did. Her name is Katis Brissett, and she has 31 amazing ackee recipes in one cookbook. So the book here, let me show you the book. This is it right here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
It's morning time. So it's not just about ackee and saltfish. No saltfish business.
No saltfish, no bone.
So how you know you can come up with so many different ways to work out this ackee thing?
Well, okay, I've been a vegan for many years, over 2 decades, and I've always noticed that most time we cook ackee, it's with saltfish, and because I don't eat meat, so I have to find other innovative ways of preparing my ackee, so I always use vegetables and all these things. So I sat down and I said, you know what, a lot of people are doing healthy these days and healthier lifestyle is being promoted. Let me think of how creative I can get in preparing ackee, because I love ackee, I'm an ackee lover, you know. So I went and I thought about like the banana, for example, because Jamaica has a lot of fruits and vegetables, as you can see, we have coconut and so forth. But the banana is an innovative way that I was experimenting, because I love to experiment with food. And so I used this green banana, I peeled it, and I sliced it like I would do plantain, cut it in strips. You can see right here, in strips. And then I season it with Ethiopian spice called berberry. If you don't have that, you can use cayenne pepper and salt, because the essence of the ackee and stuff have this salty taste. So I did that, and I fry it in coconut oil or olive oil, and then I cook my ackee. Then I actually, you know, cook back my ackee, like to cook it up in the oil and everything. I do my saute, onions, scallion, garlic, thyme, and then I put ackee in there and I throw back that fried banana strips in there.
Are we good to go?
Yeah, because when you're eating it, it's almost like you're not missing the saltfish.
All right, so the 31 recipes, right? And some of them I can understand. Breadfruit strip, banana strips, pumpkin, plantain, sweet potato. But what is the natty ackee?
Okay, the natty ackee is an ackee that, as you hear the name natty, what does it remind you of? It reminds you of Rasta, right?
Yeah.
And of course, we use string bean, red, yellow, green pepper, pumpkin to create like a lox effect and create the natty ackee.
All right.
To prepare the ackee.
Okay, never heard of natty.
No.
Ackee, run up.
Well,
not run down.
No, we don't. You know, we don't say run up, run down. We say run up. So we use the ackee now with the coconut milk, of course, no oil.
Yeah.
You know, you cook down the coconut milk and with the seasoning in it and everything, and you put in your ackee and all your seasoning, your pepper, your hot pepper, and it's a real sumptuous.
And the final one that I don't know what you're talking about is ackee and seaweed.
Okay, now seaweed, as you know, is a sea. What do you call it now? Algae.
Yeah.
And of course, people eat seaweed snacks at times, just like our snack. So when you get the seaweed, you can actually cut it in cubes, or you can tear it.
So just regular seaweed, we are talking about
regular
like,
seaweed, the seaweed snacks that we normally buy and snack, or you buy it like a nori type of roll type of thing, almost like the nori sheet.
Yeah.
So you get that, you cut that in cubes, or you can tear it if you want, depending on who you're cooking for. If you're cooking for yourself, you can tear it, and then you cook up your ackee usually. Use the same seasoning, onion, garlic, sweet pepper. The seasoning is what makes the ackee tasty. You put the seaweed in it.
Yeah.
The whole idea is to always accompany ackee with something, not saltfish.
So, but you cook the ackee?
Always cook the ackee. You cook it first. And I used like oregano, basil, parsley, cumin.
But ackee can be had raw too, can't it?
Yes, they do. They have it raw. Because it's a fruit, as you know.
Yeah.
So people have it raw, but I am really bridging the gap with showing people how they can eat ackee without saltfish in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
And the world.
If you look at the back of the book, it shows you the pictures. As you, so you say ackee and pasta, ackee and seasoned quinoa, ackee and fried breadfruit, ackee and brown rice and peas, ackee and fried dumpling, ackee yati.
A vegetarian patty is a yati. We don't say patty.
A vegetarian patty is a yati.
Right.
There's only ackee in it?
Yes, the ackee is well seasoned, yes. And any of these ackee recipes can be used in the patty.
Why you wanted to do this in the first place?
I'm a Jamaican who have been living in Jamaica, and all the time we have our creative and innovative ways of doing things, and we don't own it. You know what I mean? We always just take it for granted that, oh, I can do this and we create this. But I did it because I wanted to serve a bigger purpose, to show the Jamaican people and at large that in Jamaica we can utilize what we have to the benefit of ourselves and others. And of course, people come all the time and eat the ackee and they don't know how to prepare it. And they go abroad and sometimes they can't even find it. But when they do find it in the tin, they need to know how to prepare it.
Yeah. So obviously you eat ackee a lot.
Certainly.
Every day?
Not every day, because you don't want to overdo anything, you know what I mean? And this is something I think that the Jamaican government can endorse to promote our national fruit.
Where can we get the book?
Well, the book is available at Veggie Meals on Wheels, shop number 30, Regal Plaza. It's also at Country Farm House at 4 Deanery Road. And also I'm in the process of getting it online.
Fantastic. So 31 different ways you could, or different ways you could do ackee. Yam strips, dasheen strips, cocoa strips, bami, beetroot, callaloo, cabbage, chickpeas, broccoli, carrots and cauliflower, chocho, broad beans, natty ackee, tofu, black beans, ackee run-up, seaweed, red peas, pasta, garden peas, pak chow, eggplant, crushed vegan burgers, and ackee yati. But I leave out one. Ackee pizza. There you go, 31 of them. And I suspect if you think you could have come up with a couple more, don't you?
Yeah, I think I have more. I have ackee and lentil, I didn't put that one. And the one pot ackee where you put everything in the rice.
Everything in it, all right. There you go. Thanks for coming and good luck with the book.
Thank you for having me.
And again, you can get the book where?
At Country Farm House, 4 Deanery Road, or Veggie Meals on Wheels, shop number 30, Regal Plaza.
All right, there you go.
Yeah.
Katis Brissett, author of 31 amazing ackee recipes. Take a break. Still more on Smile. Soon come.